Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Birla Evam Manjri, which is located near Pune Solapur Highway, Manjri, Pune, and developed by Birla Estate. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. विद द हेल्प ऑफ 3D मॉडल, Birla Evam Manjri will be constructed on 16.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 12 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus podium plus 28 floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's talk about the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. तो आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के बैक साइड में आपको मिल जाता है इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर शांति चंद्र पार्क, मांजरी, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है मांजरी बस स्टैंड विद इन 3.1 किलोमीटर, SP Infocity विद इन 3.7 किलोमीटर एंड ऑल्सो DMart Manjri विद इन 4.6 kilometer. Coming to the amenities part, with the help of 3D model, project has 50 plus luxurious amenities like football court, multi-purpose hall, swimming pool, clubhouse, gazebo, kids play area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, with the help of 3D model, Birla Evam Manjri has 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences with 1 BHK starting from 517 to 594 square feet and 2 BHK starting from 707 to 805 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 963 to 1122 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with a 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Birla Evam Manjri, which is located near Pune Solapur Highway, Manjri, Pune and developed by Birla Estate. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में आकर प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.